Did you know you can earn up to 8% in passive income on some cryptocurrency exchanges? But that could all change soon with the SEC threatening to sue Coinbase, which would have a major impact on other companies in the crypto space as well. So in this video, I'll break down what's going on and most importantly, what you can do to protect your money and build wealth from here. If you find this helpful and interesting, please let me know by tapping the like button on this video. I really appreciate that. Now, first of all, in case you're not familiar with cryptocurrency exchanges, here's how they work. Have you ever traveled internationally and seen those money exchange places at the airport where you can change your cash into the local currency and back again? Well, this is kind of like that, but it's an online version and it lets you exchange your local currency for crypto and crypto for your local currency. So if you're in the United States, you would be exchanging dollars for crypto and crypto for dollars. And some of these exchanges have rolled out other services as well, like being able to borrow money with your cryptocurrency as collateral. So you can still use your money while you hold your crypto, or HODL, as they say in the crypto world. And as I mentioned, some of them allow you to earn passive income on your crypto as well. So how does that work? And how are they able to offer such awesome rates? Well, just like banks can lend many times the amount of money they actually have on hand, these exchanges can offer loans backed by your cryptocurrency. And they make way more money on these loans than what they pay you in interest. Last I checked, BlockFi, which is the cryptocurrency exchange that I use, they were paying about 5 to 6% on Bitcoin and Ethereum, up to a certain amount. I'll post a link in the description where you can get up to $250 in free Bitcoin when you open and fund an account with them, if you want to. So if you had some Bitcoin or Ethereum sitting on a cryptocurrency exchange like this can be a neat way to generate some extra passive income. But let's say you like the idea of earning passive income on your crypto, but you don't want to subject yourself to the price volatility. So what I mean by that is that the price of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, they can skyrocket up, right? But they can also plummet down just as fast, like the world's scariest roller coaster. And in that case, you might want to consider a cryptocurrency like USDC, which is what's called a stable coin. What's a stable coin? A stable coin is a crypto coin that doesn't go up and down in price like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's pegged to a certain currency, like in this case, the US dollar. So one US dollar will always be worth about one USDC, and one USDC will always be worth about one US dollar. So you can open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange like BlockFi, convert some of your dollars into USDC, and earn interest on your USDC while you leave it to hang out in your account on that exchange. Now, it's important to realize that a cryptocurrency exchange is not a savings account, it's not FDIC insured, it's really an investment account with different risks than a traditional savings account at a regular bank. Like I said, it's not FDIC insured, and cryptocurrency exchanges have been hacked in the past. But if you're comfortable with having some of your money on a cryptocurrency exchange, the interest rates are pretty amazing. Like at the time I'm recording this video, BlockFi is paying 8% on USDC, which is crazy awesome. A lot of people can't even get that ROI in the stock market. Of course, this can always change based on whatever's happening in the markets. So how does BlockFi keep cryptocurrency deposits secure? Well, their crypto holdings are held by Gemini Trust Company, which is regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services. But then again, the whole crypto world still feels so much like the Wild West. You just never know. So at this point, I wouldn't feel comfortable putting my life savings on any cryptocurrency exchange, but I feel comfortable having some money on there. So worst case scenario, if something happened where I lost all the money I had on BlockFi, it wouldn't be the end of the world. One other thing I should mention is that BlockFi only allows you one withdrawal per month, so I wouldn't put any money on there that you need frequent access to. Now, let's circle back to Coinbase for a moment. Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange right now. The company went public in April of 2021, and the headlines used words like historic and milestone because it was the first major crypto company to go public in the United States. Coinbase is working on expanding their services to include something called Lend, which would let Coinbase users earn interest by lending digital assets to other people, including a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, like we talked about. Well, the SEC doesn't like that. They sent Coinbase something called a Wells notice, which is a threat to take legal action. In this case, the SEC said that they'll sue Coinbase if Coinbase goes ahead and launches Lend. The SEC is saying that Lend's offerings are a security, which means a contract of investment like a company's stock or government bonds. On the other hand, Coinbase's executives are all like, what? Lend doesn't involve securities? They say they don't understand what grounds the SEC would sue them on and that the SEC has refused to make that clear. And Coinbase's CEO, Brian Armstrong, described what the SEC is doing as really sketchy behavior. But just last month, the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, said that the crypto world is rife with fraud, scams, and abuse in certain applications. He thinks more government regulation is needed to protect individual investors. Okay, maybe so. But is this the best way to do it? If the SEC goes after Coinbase, the biggest crypto exchange in the United States, that would impact every other company in the space, especially any company that wants to offer their customers the ability to lend out their crypto and earn passive income on it. So where do we go from here? And what can you do with this information to protect and grow your money? Well, I agree that we need some clearer regulation in the crypto world, but I don't think that taking away our ability to lend crypto is the way to go. I mean, I make microloans to women business owners in third world countries through kiva.org. The SEC doesn't seem to have a problem with that. And overall, peer-to-peer lending has become more popular in recent years. So why can I lend someone my US dollars but not my USDC? It doesn't make any sense to me. But one way or another, I do see more government regulation coming into play over time. So if you're comfortable having some of your money on a cryptocurrency exchange, this is an intriguing way to earn passive income while it lasts. What I like about this is you can get a relatively high rate of return on your money, considering that you don't have the price volatility with USDC that you would with Bitcoin or Ethereum or even just investing in the stock market. And also considering that it's really quite passive. When it comes to passive income, some people don't realize that there are varying degrees of passive. Like, income from investing in a rental property is considered passive income. But having owned over 35 properties all over the United States, I can tell you, it's not as passive as like putting money into a money market account or a CD where you just like put the money in there and then you're done. With real estate, even if you have a property manager, you still have to manage the manager. It still takes some time and attention. But having some money on a cryptocurrency exchange, that's pretty passive, and I like that. On the other hand, it's important to remember, again, that a cryptocurrency exchange is not a savings account. It's not FDIC insured. It's an investment account that comes with its own risks. And again, I wouldn't feel comfortable backing up the truck, pouring my entire life savings on any cryptocurrency exchange, but I feel fine having some money on there that I could afford to lose if something terrible happened. And if you don't already have an account with BlockFi and you want to check it out, you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you use the link in the description. And if you want to hear my honest thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'll post the links to those videos as well, or you can just look for the Bitcoin and Crypto playlist on my YouTube channel. Since you've made it this far, if you found this helpful, please tap the like button on this video. Thanks for watching and happy investing.